Good morning guys, andito kami ngayon sa Kintinday Green Hills. Dito kami guys ngayon. May mga ano ngayon, field trip ng mga students. So, medyo madami-dami kami ngayon.
Ayaw pa galing sa linya.
Nasa restaurant pa siya. Hintayin natin siya. Doon guys, papunta Hilltop. Ganda niya. Maganda kasi marami kami ngayon. Marami kami mga kasama mga estudyante.
Goodbye.
Hi, Pikit. Ito ang cafe nila. Tagal naman, halika na, sumabay na tayo. Iwanan natin siya.
Tara.
Hinahina lang tayo ng daan.
Hindi mo naman kayo kaya pataan, kaya...
Doon daan lang.
Hindi mo na kaya, no? Kaya mo pa?
O kaya. Kakayanin ko. Taas tayo guys.
Aray ko. Papunta niyo sa bulkan?
I don't think so. Anong meron po dito? Hilltop. They said hilltop. Doon guys. Oh.
Ang estudyante.
Tagal naman ni Daddy mo. Halika na. Ayan. Okay mo ito sa kanyang boy.
Dad!
Guys. Dahan-dahan lang guys. Dahan-dahan lang tayo guys. Papasok. Ilang stairs kaya ito? Ilang stairs kaya ito hanggang makaabot ko doon sa hilltop? Ang presko guys ha. Napaka-presko noon. Doon. Hanggang doon taas oh.
Aray ko.
I know. Pagkatapos nito sigurado sakit.
Sakit ng paa.
Sakit sa paa.
Sakit ng paa mo.
Oh, sorry guys.
Ay, mamadi. 1, 2, 3, smile. One more, 1, 2, 3, smile.
Okay. Let's go. Oh my god. Okay. Let's go take a rest for a bit.
Where in the road? Oh, enjoy na.
Oh my god.
Punta mo man sa akin.
This is, see guys, right there. That's the, I don't know how many stairs. Oh my god. Hinihingal. Punan muna natin sila. Gosh. Huh? Why? You already ate.
Nadali ka.
Ma-picture na lang ako, minamabigyan na lang.
At least may hangin. Kahit pa paano. Okay, let's go guys. Let's go follow with them. Come on student, follow me. Oh my goodness. Where is my people? Say hi people.
Hi, people. Anthony. Mismo?
Oh my goodness.
Ako na.
Aray ko. Shit.
May bagyo sa subon. Mayon.
Oh, Mayon alert.
Mayon na.
Careful.
Shut up. Okay.
The Mayon is crying.
Hey dad, shut up. Okay. What?
Thank
Ay, hindi man kayo pinipicture ang tanga. Basta sana ka mo nagpa-picture.
Ah, sa souvenir.
Di ba tayo damay mo? Di ba tayo magtatamaan niya?
Oh my God. At least ang ano niya dad, ang step. Hindi masyadong alakwang.
Cheers!
Kala mo kanina walang tao, no?
Ano ko tao yan?
No, I mean to say, hey, wala tayong masyadong nasasalubong na sasakyan.
Hindi mo kasi nalubong.
Oh gosh.
My thumb is hurt.
I know.
Diretso.
Tignan nyo guys doon. Look. You see that? Hindi nyo makita guys yung ano. Yung daanan. Diyos ko po. How many more stairs? Oh, I think it's we're almost. I think we're almost there. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Kuya, dyan ka
What
lang.
is it? Oh,
Kuya, kami po smile.
Pwede solo shot. Pwede solo shot ka. Kaya picture? Camera.
excuse me. Can may I? Thank you.
Yes, actually, kami kita next year.
Look at guys. Look at that. Nakita nyo guys yung kalsada? Right there. Over there, baby. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Later. Let's go this way. Wow. Let's go on the top. guys, look at that. Look at the view. It's beautiful.
I don't know.
Kiss me, guys. Kiss me. Let's go.
Let's go there. Let's go.
Let's go all the way in the top. I think the top is the nice view. You know, later when we go down.
No, it's the same thing.
Yeah, I know. Let's go. Go, go. Keep going.
Adios!
Oh my goodness. Oh, they're taking a picture, I guess. Wow. Later, no? I'm not thirsty yet.
Yeah?
Not yet. Later.
What is using this for?
Kagayang Didi. Like,
Yeah, it's beautiful here.
So peaceful. I could die right
not yet. We haven't seen the real view yet.
I think on the top one you can see.
Oh, yeah.
now. I wouldn't jump, I'd roll.
Where?
Jump, stop, and roll.
Yeah. Wow.
Roll
No.
and roll some more. Jump, roll, and roll some more.
My camera's gonna be the death of me.
Magkano na lang